broke it.
What do we do?
All right, it's all going on. We are here at Friday Night Drifts. We've already drawn a massive crowd and we got Spotto and the boys here. We're going to be taking Spotto out for a few laps as well as everybody else, the crew. Some of these boys have never been in a drift car before, so we're going to get some first-hand reactions. But anyway, first, we have drawn too big of a crowd, so he's going to be going over and doing his meet and greet so we can keep everybody happy.
Kane, I'm Kane, I'm ready to go.
Let's do it.
Are you ready to go?
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go.
I'm ready to go. Are you ready to go?
You ready to go? I hope you lot are ready to go because this is going to be nuts. Let's run it. I'm scared. Oh my God, it's Rex Hates, everyone. Look, guys, it's. Oh wait, no, you're the guy that sold the Falcon, my bad.
It's all going on. Tonight's going to be hectic. As soon as he jumped out of his car, there was just a million people around him. So chaos, chaos.
What is this? Done. No worries, of course. How we going, everyone? Welcome to Friday Night Drifts by Cape and Reet. We've got some unreleased songs that we're going to be playing live. This is sick! It's huge!
Still early hours of this event and it is going crazy. Tonight is going to be huge. I can't wait to see the crowd in front of the stage for Spotto. It's going to be hot. I'm Spotto's assistant for the night. I am now cameraman. Does my hair look okay?
I'm cold, but I'll give my heart. If she holds me down, then I might just love her. Young G, I'm a cheeky fucker. I'm making noise. Can you hear that thunder? We out here in these boys, my brothers. Better hide your auntie, better hide your mother. When they talk on my name, I hear nothing. Like, what can these cunts even say without bluffing? When you talking about me, even with disrespect, you're just giving me class, so I love it. We out here for the night, straight down to my baddies around all on me and they stunning. I got bottles on rack, I'm in here, we got service for free cause they heard I'd be calm. Just
Ollie, how's your arms?
yeah, my bro, I'm real, I won't change that. Last one like me, they don't make that anymore. I'm bowling all day, man. Say nothing, say less. I trust in God, stay blessed. You got a meaning card, stay dressed. I'll just take your girl and she'll stay wet.
Alright everyone, I gotta interrupt the chaos to bring you an important message. We have limited Friday Night Drifts merchandise. If you haven't already heard, the boys cooked up some spicy merch just for our events, and this stuff is very limited. We almost sold out, but we do have a few left if you would like to get your hands on them. We organise the best drift events in Australia, so if you want to get behind us, get behind Friday Night Drifts, head over to keepitreet.com right now. It's about to go down. Have a look at this crowd. One here now, and that was the already more deaf one. Everybody like that or what? It's fucking glowing. All right, well, you can't see it, I can. Those flames made that exhaust pipe go red hot. And I think it's safe to say that the crowd is very, very pleased. What's going on? What are we doing? Spotto is still busy pleasing all of the fans doing meet and greets. He's been doing meet and greets all night. We're taking Scrimble for a ride. We pulled him away for a second, so let's go give you a show, yeah? This is gonna be nuts. Yeah, let's go get it. Yeah, let's go get it. Run it.
next time.
Yeah, 100%. The whole of Australia needs better drift events.
Yep.
Pull up your game, because we are holding it down for Australia right now.
We'll get it.
If you haven't already figured, go and check out Spotto's channel. This is the guy that shoots all of his videos.
We have a go-kart video coming out soon where we strap electric shock collars, dog collars to it. So it was really, really cool. The moment we've all been waiting for. My helmet's on, Spotto's helmet's on. We're about to get him out on track. Let's see if we can't show him a good time, yeah? Show him the Reet way.
Ladies and gentlemen, we are about to go for a little bit of an excursion in the RV AU Falcon. It's gonna be good fun. You feeling confident?
Oh yeah.
We're feeling good. We're feeling real confident. Mate, what's up with this? What happened to your bloody mirror? Mate, that's not road legal. Mate, you might get a stinger for it, mate. What's going on here? Holy shit, oh fuck! Oh, let's go! Fucking hell! Fuck! Holy shit! What the fuck? Holy shit! What the fuck? Fucking Falcon! Holy shit! Oh my god!
Little wall bump, hopefully not too hard.
Woo! That joy's fantastic!
How good, mate? How good?
How fucking good! Yeah, let's go! That was fucking tough, let's go! Take two!
Take two!
Take two!
Mate, the voice is contagious. Take two!
Take two!
Take two!
Yeah! Fucking RV Falcon!
How is it when it comes on boost? What even?
Oh, fuck!
God! Ah! Oh, we've cut off.
She fucking moves.
I think we just broke it.
What'd we do?
I think we just broke it.
Oh shit!
I don't know, it made a noise. Oh, we done it.
Mate, the RV's done its fucking skin.
I got him one good lap in.
Mate, that was fucking tough, good stuff.
I think I blew it up.
Mate, she Wonderlove's done.
It's got nothing.
She's dead.
But did you have a good ride or what?
That was fantastic.
Yeah.
That was good fun.
That's what it's all about, mate.
One done.
That's definitely what did it. I think it was one too many one dones.
It won its last done, mate.
It won its last done.
One and done.
All right, well, now that we have some time to ourselves, mate, how's your night been? How's Keep It Reet?
Fantastic.
How's Keep It Reet been treating you? How's Melbourne treating you?
They have been keeping it Reet, I'll tell you that much. It's been good.
Yeah, mate.
It's been fantastic. The boys have been sensational, very accommodating. Very lovely group of people. It's been a whole heap of fun.
Absolutely. Well, look, that's what we're trying to do.
Mate.
We're trying to put some smiles on some dials, and it seems to be working.
For the boys to go out of their way to set up a stage was phenomenal. The crowd fucking loved it. I loved it. Levez loved it. Everyone loved it. Good fun.
What did you do, Charlie? I don't know. I was in there and I was like, oh, it's so laggy. It feels like it's got nothing. Wait till it comes on boost and then shut off right as it hit boost. Yeah, bro. Wait, if you think it's scary in my car, wait till you get in here.
fucking nuts. Little tandem there. Fucking incredible.
All right, we had an absolute killer night and we killed the ute. No!
The RB Ford Falcon is dead.
What can you do? Anyway,
Another rebuild.
yeah, exactly.
Another rebuild.
We'll have it running again for when they get back. But look, it doesn't even bring down the mood because you had a killer show.
Mate, that
The
first
fans were loving it. Bro, everyone have a good night or what?
That was so sick.
Yeah.
It's been very
All right.
good.
Well, like, subscribe, hit the little bell notification because I know you want to see these beautiful faces again.
Subscribe, it doesn't cost you
We'll
anything.
see you later.
From a land down under where baby stay looking hot like summer. I'm cold but I'll give my heart. If she holds me down then I might just love her. Young G, I'm a cheeky fucker and we're making noise. Can you hear that thunder? We out here and these boys, my brothers, but I'm